If you've ever walked past a street shawarma stand and been pulled in by that irresistible aroma of sizzling beef and warm pita bread, this post is for you, cause after watching this to the end, you'll be able to make it at home. From beef, chicken or mixed shawarma, this video will show you the basics so you can never get it wrong. So don't forget to give a thumbs up or hit the like button if you love this. Now let's get started. We'll start by preparing the beef. To begin, you heat a non-stick pan or grill pan over medium heat. Pour the cooking oil into a frying pan, add the minced beef, curry powder, thyme, ground nutmeg, salt, and crushed bouillon cube. Stir fry for about 10 minutes till it gives off its juice. Tender, juicy, and nicely browned. Leave to cook for an additional 5 minutes or until you can easily separate the oil from the beef. Remove the beef from the oil and set this aside. You can reserve the oil for when you want to cook something tasty with beef flavor. Next, you chop your veggies thinly so they roll easily. For this, I'll be using only cabbage and cucumber. Now it's time to assemble your shawarma. Warm your pita bread slightly, then open it up. Spread your sauce or mayonnaise. Add the beef, cabbage, cucumber, ketchup, mayonnaise, and pepper. Roll it up tightly. Then place it back on the pan for a few seconds to seal the edges and toast lightly. And your beef shawarma is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.